Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, it is the finale for our Valentine's Day looks. So I'm going to give you two looks in one today. So what we're going to do today is focus on the eyes because I'm going to be giving you two looks. I think you guys already know from my other videos how I do my face. I'll speed through that part, but for the sake of everything, I just want to show you guys more so how to get a great eye look for Valentine's Day. So if you guys are interested in seeing the finale of our Valentine's Day looks, these are going to be more wearable looks that are more everyday kind of going out looks. Then stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. Alright beauties, we're starting off with this black base from P. Louise. You can use a black base or a black creamy eyeliner, whatever it may be. You want to tap that onto your lid, but do not go above your lid because you don't want the black to go up too high. So I'm literally just tapping this around and trying to make sure that I don't go up too high. Where I have it right now is as high as you want it to go. So I'm literally just tapping it to make sure that it is nice. Going into this Hype Beauty Smoked Out palette, and I'm going into the black color and I'm tapping that right on top of the black. So wherever you put the black cream or the black base, you want to tap a matte black on top. And then go into a rust color. Get a bigger fluffy blending brush and blend that right on top of the line of the black. Then go into a tan color and tap that right underneath the brow bone and blend that around above the crease. And then now you're going to go back into the rust color and blend some more of that because that started to get lost. And then you're going to go back into the black. So when you're doing a smoky eye, you're literally going between the colors that you add and you're going to re-add them and blend and re-add them and blend until you have a seamless blend that doesn't have any harsh lines. Never take the black up too high though. Just keep the colors exactly where you put them and just keep blending back and forth. The key to a smoky eye is just the blend. So now that we've gotten that done, we're going in with our e.l.f. Matte Plus Oil Control Lotion and moisturizing our skin. Going into our e.l.f. Matte Oil, e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And we're going to fill our pores and get our skin looking nice. Yes, that looks good. Now we're going into our chalk dust powder and tapping that on. Make sure to get that blended and look nice and melted and mattified. Perfect. Look at how mattified that skin looks. Now we're going in with our foundation. I used the Huda Beauty foundation in Gingerbread. Then we went into our cookie concealer from Too Faced. Then we went into our e.l.f. Cosmetics Rich Chocolate Concealer. Then we blend it. Blend the foundation first, which is just around the mouth and the temples. Add a little bit of our Winter Rose from P. Louise. Blend the contour. The Winter Rose is a P. Louise eye base, but I use it as a cream blush also. So don't be afraid to use your makeup items as more than what they are advertised to be, because you can use an eyeliner brush for your brows. You can do all kinds of things. You can use lipstick for blush. So don't be afraid to explore and not have to spend money on everything, you know? Tap that in. You see how it leaves like a beautiful flush of pink. I love it. Tap in that blush. It looks so beautiful. And now we're going to start tapping in our concealer. This brush that I'm using is from the crayon case. I really love this brush. I'm going to get another one. just fits perfectly under the eye. And taps the product in really nicely. Just tap, tap, tap. And as you can see, as you tap it, it just melts into the skin. Now I'm just blending around to make sure there's no harsh lines. Going in with my A-Chalk Dust Powder once again and setting the entire face, but I'm just putting a thin layer, so it's not going to be a lot because I'm going to highlight and contour with my powders to set everything. But I just like to do this as just having a nice barrier, and it just helps with flashback with pictures and makes everything come together. Now this is the flower powder and plantain from the Beauty Bakery. And I'm using it to set my highlighted areas. Using my contoursition notebook, I'm setting my contour. Pinch that brush. Get the jawbone and under the neck. Looks good. Setting, or not setting, but highlighting my highlighter. So I'm pretty much brightening. And just this cassava flower powder from Beauty Bakery. I like to add a little bit where it's actually sitting there because I want to add some shadow underneath the lash line. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in deep brown. And I am building up my brow, just doing hair-like strokes because I have very, very sparse brows. Look at how much I built that brow up. Now I'm using a flat brush to clean underneath the brows. And I also want to use this as a technique to fade out the smoky eye. So that's another reason why I like to do my brows after when I do a smoky eye. As you can see, it just leaves a beautiful fade. Rebrightening again. Going into the Inglot 77 liner. This is one of the blackest liners you can find. I'm putting that into my waterline. Then going into my Wispies 4D Ardell mascara. It's my first time trying this, and I loved it. It homes through, but it still makes your lashes look bomb. Then going into the Mega Volume lashes from Ardell and my Duo Glue and adding my lashes. Going into my blush binder, I'm going to bronze up. And so I'm adding these two colors on the first page to add some color back to my face, okay? We need some color. Look at how warm my face looks now. That is a really, really important part of doing your makeup, is warming your face back up. Now we're going into the e.l.f. blotting powder. Ignore how dirty my thing is. It just has makeup on top of it. I need to clean it off. But this pretty much is a blotting powder, so just make sure everything is mattified. Added a little bit of pink blush. And now I'm going into Lashing Out Glam King lipstick and Latte lipstick. These are my two favorite nudes right now. It's like a beautiful caramel nude. Then I wanted to add a little gloss to it, so I wanted to Caked Up from Lashing Out Glam. Then I wanted to just gloss it up a little bit more, and I went to Juvia's Place Barely There. This is the Crayon Case On Roll highlighters to highlight. Perfect highlight. Everything is looking so good. I'm just blending around the highlight to make sure it's not too harsh. Then adding a little bit of inner corner highlight. It wasn't as bright as I wanted, so I went into my Pat McGrath Celestial palette, and I went into her color that just brightened everything up perfectly. And that's it, y'all. This is look number 1, the smoke show, baby. You entered the smoke show. Yes, honey. Serving it. Serving it. Alright, beauties, so this is our final look for the Smoky Eye. I just wanted to give y'all a little double take. So this is what the Smoky Eye is looking like. Classic Smoky Eye you can never go wrong with. But now I'm going to transform this into a red glittery eye, and I'm going to use the same makeup, and I'm going to show you how. So if you guys are interested, make sure to stay tuned so you guys can see how to transform this look. To change the makeup look, you want to go into your flower powder and you want to add some more underneath your eye, because now we're going to be playing with shadows again and you don't want that to stain, especially red. This is the Fruit Cosmetics coconut base, and I'm just tapping that right on the lid because I want that color to stick really good. Going into this red color from the Crayon K64 palette, and I'm just tapping that over where I put the base. And then I'm going to gently start to blend that up into the black and blend it above the crease, but don't go too far, like right underneath the brow. And just blend that around until you have a nice gradient. Now we're going into the Duo Lash Glue so we can add some glitter. This is a red glitter I got from Amazon. It's mixed with chunky and small glitter, and I just added that over the whole lid. And voila, just that easy, you have a whole other eye look. I'm going into my Duo Lash Glue and I'm adding my lashes. And I'm adding a little bit more highlight. I thought I recorded the lips. I'm sorry I did not, but I will definitely leave the products in the description below if you guys want to know what I used. And voila, we have a whole other look, y'all. Look number 2 is fiery, it's beautiful, it's lovely. Yes, honey, serve. And that is how you change one eye look to another. Boom. I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. I feel like it is just screaming Valentine's Day. Yes. I hope you guys love this 2-in-1 eyeshadow. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, double tutorial, showing you how to do a smoky eye or transform into a red glittery eye. This tutorial was so fun. I really enjoyed it. I have so much fun doing makeup, so me just being able to share my passion with you guys is always so exciting. I'm going to go ahead and flip to the other look right now. And here's the second look, you guys. I hope you beauties are enjoying this look. I wanted to give you guys a contrast of 2 different looks that you could possibly do for Valentine's Day. So we did the smoky eye, and then I did the face and everything, a full look for you with the smoky eye, and then I wanted to show you how you can turn that smoky eye into a different look. So we just added a little bit of red to that smoky eye, added our glitter, and this is so gorgeous, you guys. I'm so here for it. I hope you guys are able to really get the sparkle, because it is really sparkling and everything. Let me know if you guys are feeling these looks. Let me know if you like look number 1 better or look number 2 better, or if you would rock both of them. Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day. Even if you don't have plans, slay, okay? Just do a slay and have fun with yourself, because it is so fun just relaxing, letting your mind just release, and just beating your face and not feeling rushed. It's nothing like it. So definitely let me know if you guys are going to rock one of these looks for Valentine's Day. If you do, tag me so that I can shout you out. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Beauty by Yolanda, so you guys can see all the looks that I created for Valentine's Day, because this is not the only one. these are not the only ones. I have some other ones. And I'm just so thankful for you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to like the video, y'all. Comment. I want to know what y'all rocking. What kind of look y'all rocking for Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.